New at 5, Chicago police traffic stops under scrutiny today in federal court.
Residents from across the city voiced their opinions, many reacting to a traffic stop in Humboldt Park that left a man dead. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey is digging into what they say changed.
Today, a federal judge listened to hours of community input on what specific traffic stop-related requirements should be added to the consent decree, if any. Many said reform is necessary. The day-long federal court hearing focusing on CPD's use of traffic stops came less than 3 months after Dexter Reed's fatal traffic stop in Humboldt Park. Officers said they pulled him over because they suspected he wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
Don't roll the window up.
Body camera video of the chaotic scene that unfolded showed that officers shot 96 bullets in 41 seconds, killing Reed, who investigators say fired first.
Dexter Reed supposedly had a missing seatbelt. He's dead now. That shouldn't happen.
Michael Harrington with the community organization Network 49 in Rogers Park was one of about 100 community members who signed up to speak. He was also one of many who felt the federal court should not oversee these kinds of stops.
The community commission that governs this should be responsible for what happens with traffic stops, which are racially discriminatory, they're dangerous for police officers and residents, and they end up worsening community police relations.
Superintendent Larry Snelling, who supports the independent oversight of CPD's traffic stop practices, told the judge the department has reduced traffic stops year to date from last year by approximately 87,000.
Why are y'all pulling me over? I did nothing wrong. Y'all pulled me over because y'all ran my plate. And my plate says that I have a gun.
Bronzeville resident and activist Jasmine Smith also testified at the hearing. She said she's constantly worried for herself and her loved ones behind the wheel, and federal oversight will only drag out the road to reform.
I want to be a part of making those necessary changes when it comes to our police department and how they interact with the civilians, because they are very dangerous.
Some residents did voice their support of CPD traffic stops as a necessary tool to keep the public safe. All parties agreed the large public participation was a good thing.
We need more public involvement to create a safer Chicago, and that's what we need.
As for the Dexter Reed case, all 5 officers remain on paid administrative leave. The ACLU of Illinois also sued the city over CPD's use of traffic stops. The suit says they are discriminatory. At the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
Megan, thank you.